Hey everyone, okay, so I'm going to be showing you all of this in a second. But before I do, I just want to say that I wish I could be one of those YouTubers who you saw on camera and they always looked impeccable and gorgeous and glamorous and stunning, and instead you get me in a hoodie looking just shocking. So I'm sorry about that. I do wish I could be like that, but it just doesn't seem to happen. It's been an incredibly stressful year. So Charlotte Tilbury is having a Black Friday discount. There's like 30% off or 20% off of a lot of the products. So I'll put, I'm going to show you what's in here because I don't actually know yet. And I'll put the links to the landing pages directly in there for the sale items. But this was sent to me, so I didn't buy this, but this was sent to me, but this video is not sponsored. And I haven't even gone through it yet, so we can do it together. So this is what I've got, which is Magic Dreams. Ooh, award-winning skincare range. Should we have a little look? Ooh. Magic cream, eye cream, and a sleep mask. Yes, maybe I'll pop that on tonight. Let's have a look. Ooh, booklet. Lovely. Let's have a look. What's this? The Bright Magic Skin Glow. Oh, I love Charlotte Tilbury's I can't even say the word. Hyperbole. Just the way everything's just gorgeous and glamorous and fabulous. So we get this gorgeous primer. There you go, I've done it myself. Gorgeous primer and some magic cream in there. I actually really like the Youth Brightening Primer. As you all know, I'm a massive Charlotte Tilbury fan. Anyway, Legendary Eyes. Ooh, what's this? Should we have a look? So exciting. I always feel, I feel so pleased and grateful when something like this arrives because it just makes my day. Oh, that's nice. So we've got the Legendary Lashes Volume 2 and of course a gorgeous eyeliner. Oh, there's more, there's loads. So the Gift of Pillow Talk Lips. Oh, it was a genius thing. Oh, lovely. Pillow Talk lipstick and the lip liner. Genius to think of the name Pillow Talk because unlike say NARS Orgasm or Deep Throat, which is just the most horrible name, you know, Pillow Talk isn't as salacious, is it? It's not as vulgar. Okay, oh, there's something big in here. Get out, you stupid thing! Just kidding, Charlotte. Adore it. Whatever it is, adore it. Best thing ever, I swear. Ooh. Oh, it's an advent. Charlotte Tilbury Glittering Galaxy of Makeup. Oh. Should we see what's in it? I'm actually going to give this away. Oh. It's a makeup remover. You can't even see. Why would you care? Full lipstick. What's in this one? Mini mascara. Chameleon eye pencil. I think the chameleon pencils are really good. Another small magic cream. God, I love magic cream. Let's try one more window. This is the Goddess Clay Mask. So there's quite a bit in here. So that's lovely. Oh, just dropped something. What else is in this? It's like the Mary Poppins handbag. We have the Hot Lips Charms, which are these tiny, and I mean, you know, these are really tiny. Let's have a look. Let me show you. They are tiny little lipsticks. Like minute. Can you even see that? Honest to Betsy's. But I know they're small, but you know, if you're carrying around a Polly Pocket purse, they are absolutely perfect. What's this? Ooh, Superstar Lips. I think there's more than that. Yes, there is. 4 Superstar Lips. Gorge. I think we're coming to the end. You can see a random lip. Oh, there's loads more. Luxury palette of pops. Oh, I bought, because I buy all my Charlotte Tilbury stuff, I bought 8 of these. Look. Oh, I love them. I love the palette of pops because you can just transform any of your eyeshadows into something just lovely. Oh, Hollywood Beauty Glow. Yes, thanks. Don't mind if I do. Oh, ooh, delicious. Oh, that sounded like that horrible song, didn't it? You know, the skipping through the tulips, meadows. I think you know what I mean. Right, last ones. I'm taking a big handful here. So, instant look in a palette. Oh, this is a lovely palette. I've lost the other lipstick now. See what I mean about wanting to be those glamorous YouTubers who just like the whole way through. Look at my shoes. Look at my handbags. Look how rich I am. So here we go. There you go. I love this because I think that shade there is just the loveliest shade. I will talk to you about my eyes in a minute, in case you're wondering. Oh, sweet, sweet. Bronze and Glow. Shawashki. Oh. That was quite a high-pitched noise. Bronze and Glow and a brush. Oh, won't be giving that away, I can tell you that much. Mine. And we have the Magic Mini Brush Set here, which I'm not going to open because I'm going to give that. And then there's two more of those lovely, lovely, let's open one, Superstar Lips. Glow Kiss. Open, stupid. Wouldn't it be nice to open a box without... I've ruined it. Superstar Lips. Oh, that's a nice nude. So there you go. That is the Charlotte Tilbury nonsense, and it is absolutely gorgeous nonsense, if I do say so myself. And look, it's got my name on it. Wing. Fabulous. So there you go. 20 to 30% off. Links down there in the description bar. And this video is being filmed tonight, right now, and it's going to be uploaded in about 10 minutes time. There's no edits with me. I'm just rough as arseholes, really, aren't I? So there you go. All the information is down there. Now, eyes. So I bought some contact lenses, bought them. I think there's like a lot of people reviewing contact lenses. And I bought some, and I can't remember the bloody name of them now. I don't even know. Oh, is it? It's called Solotica. I probably have not pronounced that right. I believe these ones are called Safaria or something like that. They're blue. Very, very blue. So I thought I would try some. So I bought a couple of pairs. And to be honest with you, they're actually quite nice and very realistic. I mean, some of them are very bright. I got one here, which I don't know the name of. And it's like that's not even gonna, you can't even see it. There it is. It's really green. And I've got green eyes anyway. But they're so pretty. I really think they probably look better on darker eyes, but really pretty, just so pretty. And it's nice to see with a different eye color because it changes everything. It really does. So I thought they're quite cool. So I might give you my thoughts on those a bit later on. Anyway, thanks very much. And I'll see you in about 10 minutes time live on YouTube. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.